say that the transport of the explosives procedurally were properly done, and that there was a police escort, and the police escort assisted the driver in making sure that they alerted members of the public. The policeman was part of those who came to the school to whisk the school children away. He was in the escort vehicle and he witnessed what happened. And even their escort vehicle was also used to evacuate the injured.
So, but for that, the casualty would have been higher?
Yes, had it not been that, even looking at the school building and looking at the number of school children in there, we could have registered something bad. But thank God, they really assisted and spread out information about the danger, and a lot of people managed to run away from the place that is now the crime scene.